Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. Today I use Olaplex because I recently tried a different shampoo that I really did not like and my hair was starting to break off at the ends. I'm gonna part our hair as we always do to make it a lot easier on us. I like to part my hair in fours. So for the moisturizer, I'm actually gonna go in with the Sacred Moisturizing Lotion. I don't know if that was too much or not, but we're gonna go with it. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and put that moisture sealing lotion over all of my hair simply because putting moisturizer in my hair works best when my hair is wet. It does a lot better. Then I'm gonna go back in and detangle. I know you guys see me trying a bunch of different products and I'm really just trying to see what is working best for my hair and going from there. Look at those curls. I want to try these on stretched hair. For the heat protector, I'm going to use It's a 10. This is the Miracle Leave-In product. I just spray that in my hair. Tideway sent me this blow dryer, and I haven't really used it that much, but... And this may sound crazy, but now that I think about it, I'm just gonna blow dry my roots simply because I don't want these curl formers to come out and I don't want the ends of my hair to be not curling. I just want my roots to be straight because I've seen people do it very briefly and their hair looks beautiful. The part that goes into the curl rod, but the rest, look at that, look at those curls. The roots of their hair just be super puffy. I don't want that. So I'm gonna just blow dry it a little bit. Now for the star of the show. Now for the star of the show. I have never in my life done this before. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. I wonder, are these different sizes? This pink versus... They're not. They're not different sizes. I'm looking at these instructions. It seems easy enough. The question is it gonna really be easy? I should have used the sacred stuff today. I'm gonna rewash my hair again eventually. So anyway, so it's fine. It's okay. I'm scared. I hope I don't have to like re-damp my hair. I feel so stupid at the same time because I'm like, dang, did I do this wrong? Should I not dry my hair a little bit? I'm gonna put a little bit more of the moisture lotion. I'm not gonna put a lot. I think one will be good here. I don't know how you're supposed to use this thing. You supposed to like, is this the way you're supposed to use it? Push the thing through like that? I sure hope so. Oh my God. So you hook it in there. Right, so I hooked it in, I twisted it at the root, hooked it in there. And then do I just go down like that? Pull the hair through? Girl, I might need to watch more some YouTube videos. Oh wait. We're getting somewhere. Hold on. I don't have to hold it up there to get it all the way down. How do you do this? This gotta be an easier way to do this. I'm just pushing this up and trying to like pull it down. I'm gonna pull my hair out messing with this thing. This is an attachment. Wow. Come on, there we go. Oh my God, that was awful. That was awful. There we go. I'm gonna brush it. I'm nervous now. Let me redo that because I'm scared. Okay, so this is how it goes. It goes all the way in there. Okay, and then you twist the hair ever so slightly. And then you hook this bad boy on here and slide it on up, right? And then you grab this blue piece and pull your hair in there. Well, that was so much easier. See? Trial and error, babes. I know one thing, you will never catch me sleeping in all of these, I know that much. You want to make sure you twist your hair enough to the root so your hair don't catch on to or part your hair in any way. Yeah, some of them I'm a little concerned about because I feel like my hair isn't curled all the way in there. But we're gonna see. This is why we're trying stuff. One side down, I'm gonna do the rest off camera. We're gonna see. Okay, so I got the back done, half of the front done, and we are on our last section. So I was watching TikTok videos, and now my concern is that I mess up my ends, you know, by like breakage and stuff, because how this is gonna pull. But maybe the person who made that video wasn't careful with their hair and pulling it out, because there is a certain way you're supposed to pull this out, because you're not supposed to tug on your hair. It's supposed to be something that is a smooth, easy process. So we're gonna see. Now that all the curl formers are in, it's time to dry them. So I have this bonnet dryer. I can just attach this to my dryer, and I sat under this for 30 minutes. I couldn't take it any longer, so I ended up just blow drying the roots just to make sure, and also doing my edges because I want to make sure my edges are laid. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Y'all, one thing about me, I am gonna watch 365 days. I don't care how old that show is. And it's gonna get me every time. So here we go. Let's see. I don't know how do you supposed to take these things out? Oh. Okay. The end is looking a little rusty dusty, but let's see. Okay, the ends is not my frame right now, but okay. Hair is definitely dry. So the way you take it out is you unravel it, squeeze this part, and slide it right on through. Unravel, squeeze, and slide. My hair is so soft. I think this side gonna turn out better. I don't know why. Woo. Look at that. Bow. 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 The way my hair feels though is crazy. And this is for someone who's really focused on making sure my hair isn't pulled. This is not pulling my hair at all. As soon as I start unraveling it like this, it falls right out. I ain't even gotta pull it, tug it, nothing. See, look, bow. The only thing I don't like right now is my ends, how rough they looking. Okay, I'm gonna take the Sacred hair oil. Some of it is still a little bit wet on the side. So we just gonna, I'm scared. I don't wanna take it apart. How do I do it? Okay. Yeah, let's go section at a time. I don't know how I feel about this. I do kind of want to take a pic and just do it that way. I wonder if it'll be better. The curls in the front look the best, so I don't want to mess them up. Let's at least juice up these roots. I don't know if I like this. I can't even separate them good because like my ends is too rough for all of that. What if I could just throw this up in a ponytail though? I don't like it at all. Could this be a look though? Yes. Is it for me? No. No, it's not for me. This fluffiness. Okay, my dog wants to say hi. With her crooked ponytail and her bow. I look like an old lady. And it made my ends look awful. Oh my God, no. So this is the look that I can get out of these curl formers, as you can see. And I don't like it. I don't like it not one bit, especially how my ends look. I feel like doing this with your hair wet would be the best way because it's gonna be able to form easier. And it did, but also it's like my ends, I'm looking here because my mirror's here, but it's like my ends look so rough, and then it might cause breakage because of the way it pulls your ends and then you take it out. It just doesn't seem right to me. It don't seem like this is gonna be beneficial. It's not giving me a hairstyle that I want. It's not giving me a quick hairstyle that also takes care of my hair and doesn't possibly break my ends off. So this is a no. If y'all want to try these same curl formers, I'm gonna link it in my bio or link it on my Amazon storefront, but it's a no for me. It's a no. Ooh, maybe I could throw my hair up in a ponytail. Or, wait a minute. Now look, I still don't like these, but this is just me making it do what it do. Now it's a look. See, this is the type of stuff that'll make your ends shed because the ends of my hair is like stuck together because it didn't stretch out my ends and curl the ends. So it's a no for me. This doesn't work for me. But thank you so much for tuning into this video. Since you have made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments below, what do you want me to try next? I'll see you in the next one.